Hey!
Hey, welcome back, my lovely people. It's Mama P again. I'm in the kitchen today and getting ready to cook.
Alright, so what you making today?
Okay, well, today I'll be making some buttermilk chicken nuggets.
Nice, nice. Alright, so tell me, what are the ingredients?
Okay, so here I have 3 chicken breasts already chopped,
Cleaned and cut.
clean.
And cut.
I have the vinegar, I have some milk, I have cornstarch, I have my flour, adobo, seasoned salt, all-purpose seasoning, ground paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, Old Bay, black pepper, and salt.
Nice, nice. Alright.
Alright, so the chicken already been washed and dried. You have to make sure you dry your chicken. Okay, so I don't have any buttermilk, so I'm gonna use the vinegar and some milk to make it. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna pour me some vinegar in there and a little bit more, about a tablespoon and a half of vinegar. So I'm gonna leave that there to get thickened up. I'm gonna leave it there and then I'm gonna come back, and when I come back the consistency is gonna get really thick. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pour some seasoning on the chicken. This is the adobo. I'm just eyeballing, guys. Just about a teaspoon. Here is the seasoning salt. So this is the all-purpose seasoning. Paprika. Just to give it some color. Onion powder. Black pepper. Some Obi. Garlic powder. I'm gonna put a pinch of salt in there. It's about half a teaspoon.
This is not a pinch more.
Alright, so here I'm gonna just rub this together. Okay, so I'm gonna cover this with a tin foil and leave it there to marinate for about an hour. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna use a cup and a half of flour, and I'm gonna use a teaspoon of cornstarch, because you want it to, the cornstarch will give the nuggets a crispy taste. So I'm gonna use a teaspoon of cornstarch in there. Okay, so I'm gonna season up the flour, black pepper, because you want your nuggets to taste good, so you have to season the flour to give it a nice taste too. Some adobo, seasoning salt, all-purpose, paprika, garlic powder, onion, Obi. Okay, so now I'm just gonna give this a stir. I'm gonna leave that there, and then I'll be back to that within a couple of minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna crack my head. Alright, so I'm gonna beat my head. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave that there until when my chicken finish marinating. I'll be back to start the process of frying my chicken nuggets.
Yes, yes.
Alright, so the chicken is marinated and I am back. And here's the buttermilk, guys. See? When you put the vinegar in the milk, you get real buttermilk. See how thick it is? And so, I am ready to roll. So I'm going to pour this over my chicken. And so you get that buttermilk all over your chicken. Yes. Just marinate it. Alright, so now I'm taking my chicken out of the buttermilk and I'm putting them in the egg.
You putting all of it at once?
No, just some let them marinate in the egg mixture. And then I'm gonna go to my flour. Sometimes you can't help it, you just have to put your hand in there.
Make it so much
Get your hand easier. Let's see if they have it ready. So the hand seems like it's hot now because it's floating to the top. Alright, so now I'm going to put my chicken in. And guys, this take about 3-4 minutes to fry. About 3 to 4 minutes. Don't overcrowd the pot either, guys. Alright.
You see, you're just going to repeat the process. Buttermilk, egg, flour.
Alright. So this is the first batch. See how nice and crispy they look? Nice and crispy. Then I'm going to go in with the second batch. Alright. Alright, this is my last batch. Okay. So these look so good. They look nice and crispy and appetizing. Alright.
See? And it looks
Okay,
good.
so there I'm going to play. Alright. Oh. This is nice.
Yeah, let me try it. Let me try it.
Okay, try one.
I'm going to try it. I hope it's good.
Delicious.
This is so tender, so yummy.
Nice and soft and tender. So there you have it. Mama P buttermilk chicken nugget. Please like, share and subscribe and leave me a comment and I'll see you in another video. Thank you. Bye bye.